Okay, hello, my name is Bruno Sander and I will show how I create the instance of the server Windows Server 2025 here in AWS. I go to EC2 instance and launch a new instance. I put the name of the instance. I choose the Windows and choose the Microsoft Windows Server 2025. After that, the type t3.micro and I create a key pair. The network settings, I allow the RDP traffic from anywhere. And the storage, I put 30 gigabytes and launch the instance. Here's my instance that I have created. After that, I connect the instance. The remote desktop, I download the shortcut file and get the Windows password. I upload the private key that I have downloaded before. Okay, so now I'm going to launch the virtual machine. First, I went here to server manager and I have added a new role. The role is the active directory and domain services. I choose this and next I installed the role. So here is the activity directory domain services and the tools. After that, I promote my server to be a domain controller and I choose a domain name. This is the name of the computer and the domain is insignsuccess.corp. The domain. Okay, after that I create the users and groups. I went to Active Directory, users and computers. Here in the domain, descriptor is this. Okay, I create three organizational unit. I put the name of computer design, groups design, and users design. I did this new and choose organizational unit. The groups that I create three groups: the groups of advisors, the groups of backup domain, and the manager to the center manager. And I created the users. Okay, here, users. Inside the user design, I created three rows. The advisors, I create 5 users. The users call it the first initial name and the entire last name. The properties. So these users are member of the group advisors. The backup manager is member of the backup domain, and the center manager, I choose my name and is member of the domain users manager. So after I create this, I create the folders in C. Okay, the two folders: admin reports with the file final admin report, and I share it the admin reports. I have shared it with the group of manager. And the advising documents, inside is the final advising txt, and I have shared this folder with advisors and the group of manager. So all the advisors, the 5 user advisors, and the center manager can source advanced settings. have the permission level read and write, read and write. Okay, the next part is to create the GPO, and I go to the group policy management. So here in the group policy management, I create these three GPO: college, logo, default web browser, and the password policy. I create the GPO. I choose this number, this name, sorry, and after that I edit. So to the college logo, I download image and put in this folder logo. I put the image of the logo of the Design College here. So after that I went to the user configuration, policies, desktop, and desktop. Here in desktop I desktop wallpaper, I enable, and I copy where is the image of the logo. See, logo and sign. Okay, so when I finish the session and the user when log in with their user, they can see the logo here in the desktop. Okay, and the password policy, I went to policies, Windows setting, security, source. This is in the computer configuration, security settings, and went to the local policies. Sorry, security settings. Okay, here in account policies, I choose the password policy. I set enforce password history to 3 password remembered. I choose the maximum password age 90 days and the minimum password length 12 characters, and the password must meet complexity requirements enabled. The last one is the GPO default web browser. And policies and insert templates. So is in the computer configuration. I have to install the Microsoft Edge, and no, here in startup homepage, a new tab, and configure the new tab page URL. I enable and copy and paste the URL of the insign.edu information technology. So when I open the Microsoft Edge, the first URL, the first page for default is the Insign College. And if I open a new also is the information technology, the Insign College. Okay, thank you. This is my project of the final project. I have created the VM. I will show you how I create the domain name, the users, the groups, the permissions, the folders, the files, and how I created the GPO. Sorry, and the last here in the group policy management, I need to in the I linked the GPO that I have created in the users. I set this link an existing GPO, so I choose the GPOs that I have created. Okay, thank you.